Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, let x1, x2 up to xm and y1, y2 up to yn be IID normal 0, 1 random variables. Then w is equal to n into summation I is equal to 1 to m xi whole squared by m into summation yj squared, where j is equal to 1 to n, has the following distribution. So we need to identify the distribution of w. Now we have been given that x1, x2 up to xm follow normal 0, 1 and are IID. Now also y1, y2 up to yn are IID and they follow normal 0, 1. Then xi squared follows chi squared with 1 degrees of freedom, and summation xi squared follows chi squared with n degrees of freedom. This is a standard result that if a variable x follows standard normal distribution, then the square of it follows a chi square with 1 degrees of freedom, and then summation of xi squared, where I ranging from 1 to m, follows chi square with m degrees of freedom. And similarly, summation yj squared, where j ranging from 1 to n, follows chi squared with n degrees of freedom. Now, summation xi would follow normal 0, m distribution. So 1 by root m summation xi would follow a normal 0, 1 distribution. So therefore 1 by root m summation xi whole squared follows chi square with 1 degrees of freedom. Now we know that the f distribution with degrees of freedom m and n is equal to chi square with m degrees of freedom divided by m whole divided by chi square with n degrees of freedom divided by n. So now if we analyze this thing and analyze this thing, we'll see that w can be written as one by root m summation xi whole squared by 1 by summation yj squared by n, where j ranging from 1 to n, follows f1, n. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, let xn n greater than is equal to 1 be a sequence of IID random variables with probability mass function fx is equal to 1 by 4 if x is equal to 4 and 3 by 4 if x is equal to 8. Let xn bar is equal to 1 by n summation xi when n ranges from 1 to n goes up to infinity. Now if limit n tends to infinity, probability xn bar greater than equal to small m but less than equal to capital M is equal to 1, then the possible values of m and n are. We have already been provided with the PDF of x. So now let us calculate expectation x, which can be calculated as 4 into 1 by 4 plus 8 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now xn bar is equal to 1 by n summation xi. So expectation xn bar is equal to 1 by n summation of expectation xi, which is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n 7, that is 7n by n, which is equal to 7. Thus, as n tends to infinity, xn bar tends to 7. Now given limit n tends to infinity, probability small m less than equal to xn bar less than equal to capital M is equal to 1. Therefore, xn bar greater than is equal to small m and less than equal to capital M is a certain event. So 7 must belong to the closed interval small m comma capital M. Now looking at the options, 7 is only possible in the interval given by option D. So option D is the correct answer.